Hi there, my name is Riley Ward and I'm a manufacturing engineer at X-Rite. I support the production lines for the IntelliTrax print and packaging scanners, the sphere-based handheld and benchtop instrument series, and also the Munsell Paint Lab. There's a number of things that make it great to work at X-Rite over the past 3 years. However, I'll take you through a couple of the key things. The first of which is definitely the applications of where our products go when they reach our customers and the value that they provide. This is something where it's amazing to see when something that I've built has gone to a customer and has enabled them to produce a completely color accurate, enormous size poster, or develop the dream of somebody who is producing different materials, different types, in different facilities around the world, that they're able to come together and build the final product exactly as they imagined it. As well, our Munsell products are really key for our customers in order to distinguish their brand from others of similar colors to make sure that their customers get the view and the recognition that they want them to have. The second thing that I love about X-Rite is our working together for success operations motto. This is something where as a team we're unified under the same goals of bringing quality to our customers and hustling in order to get a product or a delivery out amongst all the different key members of our team. And this is something we do a great job of, making sure that we perform really well, at the same time having some fun and being able to work together and keep jokes in mind. The third thing that I love about working at X-Rite is definitely that it's located in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Grand Rapids is a great city. It's got a lot going for it in terms of amenities, like the lake being nearby, a great food and entertainment scene, and it's a great place with opportunities for young people to live, commute, and work. Thank you for joining me for Life at X-Rite.